Okay, so here we go. Me and Tinks again on our travels. Hello, Tinkles. I know you're on YouTube. No, say hello to your friends. Say hello to your fans, because they all love you. You know that, don't you? Right. In this one, we're going to make a video of how my friend will get a burner going if you're ever in trouble. Now, I will get the name of it as we go along in this video, but here's the intro. So I'm in my friend's house in Congersbury, and we're going to make a little fire up, but not any ordinary fire. And this I could murder on the, I could do with this on the Mendips. Trust me, when you watch this go, you can cook anything you want. It's even got hot water as well for a cup of tea, and I will prove that at the end with a coffee. Okay, so the intro is me and Tinks in our friend's garden, see, and we're going to have a fire, but with a difference, and we're going to cook burgers on it, and we're going to have a cup of coffee as well afterwards. See, so there you go, in with Tinks. What have you seen? An owl, because they got lovely trees here, by the way. They have lovely birds here. So yeah, listen, bear with me guys. We're going to chop some firewood ready for the night time, because I'll get this going at night time, and I'll tell you what, you want to watch the flare on this. Alright, some of you already know, but like I said, I have generally forgotten the name of it, but I will mention it through the video. Okay?
Kelly Kettle.
So I will speak to you in a bit, guys. Bye bye. So here we are, guys, with our Kelly Kettle. I've worked out the name of it now, and we've got Tinks as well. Tinks is going to cook us a meal. So we got then, Tinks. So what's in here? What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? What is it? Is that our stove? Right, sit. Right, so yes, you will see this Kelly Kettle burning like mad. Okay, so we'll chop some wood in a minute and we'll get it going. But yeah, stay tuned guys, there's more to come. Tinks is already looking at a burger and a coffee. So here we are, getting the wood out, and we're going to chop this bit of wood up. And hang on. Okay, so here we are then with our little bit of wood. This will get us going. There you go, look at that, eh? Nice thin cut. Nice thin cut, eh? That's what we need guys, stuff like that. Stuff like that, see? Nice and thin. And that's it. Right, well that'll do us for the wood. We'll get some more chopped and then we'll be right back. But yeah, this won't be happening until the night time though guys, so the next sort of like sequence of shots you'll see it, and it might be a bit darker, but just bear with me. Alright, hope you're enjoying the thing at the moment. It's called a what was it called again?
Kelly Kettle.
A Kelly Kettle. There you go guys, this is how you make a Kelly Kettle up. I could do one of these on the Mendips. Watch this, the end result. You can even get a coffee out of this, like I said, and I will prove that point. I will prove that point. Trust me. Anyway, we'll be back with more. Bye bye. Okay guys, we have a little bit of wood, and we have our Kelly Kettle. Lovely piece of kit. Can take this up on the Mendips for me, I know I can. Yeah, there's your wood. Let's have a little sneak preview. There's your little water spout. That's what's going to make us our coffee at the end of it. But yeah, be back with more. See you soon. Okay guys, so now it's got a bit darker. We are now going to light the firewood and the Kelly Kettle together. Carry on watching to see what happens. Okay, here we go then with the Kelly Kettle. We're just about to get it out. Go on then James, do the honours. We'll put it on this little slab over here, see, because it's a bit more safer. We've already got all this prepared, by the way. There he is, look at that bad boy. We're going to fill it up with water though first. We need to fill it up with water, don't we? We do need to fill it up with water. Because I've told all my viewers that I promised myself a coffee at the end of this, because it can do two things. It can cook.
It will do everything.
There's the pots, look, and the pans. And there's the thingy, and I'll tell you what, there's the burner.
I will go and fill of water now.
Trust me guys, you'll love this. You will love this. Mark, out the light. Out the light.
Sorry.
That's right. But you will love this guys, promise you. So yeah, watch this in a minute. Still promise you a coffee. Okay, so here we go then, we're going to set this up. We've now got water in our little thermostat which goes in to that one. Okay, you just got to put the lid on. Alright. And then we're going to cook on this. All the wood, see all the wood, see all the wood, see all the wood. I'll tell you what, you watch the flame come out of this. Watch the flame come out of this in a minute guys. People in the know will know exactly what I'm talking about. It's called a Kelly Kettle. And I'll tell you what, it's a lovely piece of kit. If I ever go up on the Mendips, this is what I'm taking. So here we go, we're just about to load it. Put some firelighters in it. Okay, get it going, nice and go. Put a bit of wood on top. And you're gonna light it, and then watch this go. There you guys. Here we go guys, watch this. This is good. There we go. We'll be having burgers and coffee on in a minute. Watch this. So we put the lid on. Have we got the lid on the water? We need a lid on the water.
No, we don't need it on water.
Okay.
I don't like the lid on water because it makes it boil back. And you
Okay. I didn't know that. I'm still learning. So now what you do, look, is you just feed it from the top. There you go, guys. And eventually, I won't be able to even hold the camera in a minute because this is going to shoot up. So I'm going to have to stand back and just let my friend do what he's got to do. Because believe me, this is worth watching. And this is how you make a cup of tea. Let's close the door. Close the door. And this is how you make coffee and something to eat on top of the Mendips. Well, this is how I will be doing it. Just trust me, watch this. Here comes the flame out the top now. Here it comes. It's all cool. So now what you got to do now is you got to build up the flame. See that, guys? Look at that. That's going like a trooper now. Look at that, eh? Eh? And that's what we'll do. So yeah, let that build up a bit. I'll be back in a bit. So guys, yeah, look at that piece of kit, eh? That's what you call a Kelly Kettle. So what it's doing basically is you've got the fire down below, which you can just see in there, and it's going up there, and eventually a frying pan and an instrument will go on top of that to fit the frying pan on nice and snug, which he's just about to do now. So if I stand back a minute, you'll be able to watch. And on the side here, the water is boiling up quite nicely. So trust me, that coffee's coming soon. There's the ingredient. And put the frying pan on top. And there you go. That is how you do it. Eventually all that smoke will die off. It's only the wood burning. But once it gets nice and hot, settles down a little bit. Yeah. Man, I so need one of these things. Imagine that on the Mendips. Bacon sandwiches in the morning. Full English breakfast. A nice cup of tea before I even start. And then just put it in a little green bag and throw it over my shoulder. Boom. And I'll be back with more in a minute. So the object of the game is, guys, you've got to keep the fire going. Okay. Now once all them logs burn off, all that smoke will stop, but yeah, there is burgers on top of that, trust me, and they will cook. Okay, but once my friend though stokes the fire a little bit, alright, there's the burgers, look, see, look at that, look, I'll get it done, don't worry. But yeah, you got to keep feeding the fire, a bit like a steam engine really, if you're a regular viewer of my channel, hey, with wood. There we go. See? Anyway, we're back with more in a minute. Still gonna have this cup of coffee. Okay, so as you can clearly see, the kettle has now boiled. Hey? So we'll have a coffee in a bit. Alright, burgers will be done in a bit, guys.
Would you like milk in your burger?
I would like milk and sugar in my coffee. Free sugars if possible.
Free?
Yeah, please, free. So yeah, there you go. So not only does this cook, guys, this is mega. I'm not being funny, I would love this. Alright? I'm being shown this by a military person, but seriously, I would love this. It's a little bit smoky, but don't worry. Okay? But seriously, you get a nice hot drink, which is spurting out of there, and you get some burgers cooking as well. Hang on it. No, I can't see. But yeah, get some burgers cooking right there, and get some water out of there as well. Right, good. Guys, I've got to sort this out. See you in a bit. Bye bye. So yeah, there you go, guys. I now have a cup of coffee there. My friend is now just going to pour some hot water. This could be fun. And believe me, we are going to have a cup of coffee. And it is going to taste absolutely awesome. Promise. Let's stand out of the way a minute. Because that flame's still shooting up there. You can hear the water boiling. This is why it'd be a good little piece of kit. I'm being trained, by the way, by an ex-army person. So, there you go. Look at that, eh? Lovely. Oops. That's alright, don't worry, that's the fire in the ash bin. We can sort that out. But yeah, look at that coffee. And then what we can do then is we can chuck that on. See? He's got some tongs here. So we can sort this out. But look at my coffee, guys. Look at my coffee. It's going to be nice and hot and steaming.
The burgers are going to be more interesting. And we have the hobo stove which fits on top.
There you go.
Look at that thing, guys. Put the burgers on.
Put the burgers on, and now they'll cook properly. And there you go. Nice cup of coffee made by my friend. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome, man.
And trust me, I'll even drink some.
Well, bloody
ready?
Don't peeve if you don't.
That is absolutely hot and gorgeous, guys. What more can I say? Burgers to follow. So there you go then, guys. That's our dinner on the go. That's my coffee. Made from that urn, by the way. Absolutely gorgeous coffee. Alright, thinks she's still there. She's waiting for a burger. But yeah, what a lovely piece of kit. What a lovely piece of kit. Imagine me up on the Mendits with this. I wouldn't want to come home. I wouldn't want to come home. I'll just get a tent and I'll live up on the Mendits with this. It's got everything I need. Food, cup of tea, everything. Anyway, back with more in a bit. Bye bye.
Nick, shut up.
So guys, it does take a bit of a while, but I mean, gosh, you want to smell it. I wish I had smelly vision on my YouTube. There's your little fire underneath, look, nice and hot and cooking. If I take that off, there it is, look, burned underneath, look, eh? I tell you what, these are going to be good. If I stand out of light, you might be able to just catch it. But yeah, what a lovely, lovely piece of kit, hey? Look at it. I could so work with this on the Mendits. We wouldn't be just up there for a day, we'd be up there for about a week. Think about that, YouTubers. Okay, here we go, guys. I'm going to put some cheese on you now. Hey, I'm going to put you down there in a minute, 2 seconds. Yeah, you hold that. You hold that. Yeah, that's it. Get some cheese there. be honest. I'm going to do that. I'm going to put it over the top there, let it melt a little bit. Good boy. And then get it out. And whack it in this bun just here. There you go guys, look at that, eh? Can't go wrong with that now, can ya? Look at that. Oh, bugger. Yeah, you go. There's two done. 2 seconds. Hey guys, remember, that was a lovely coffee by the way at the end. Bang, and we'll put that one on. We'll go multi.
Cheese on the other one, mate. Bang, mate, quick, mate.
I'm not a quick cook, so.
You're not a quick cook in anything, are you? What's my poor fucking TikToks doing? Oh, she's sat there, she's getting no food. Oh yeah, that's not good. They're feeding TikToks as well, so don't listen to him.
Right. There you go, bit of onions as well. Can't go wrong, look at that, eh? Better than the bus station burgers these are. Banging. Right. And there's the other one. Okay, right. So do that like that. A couple of onions with it. In we go.
What a banging roll. It's absolutely brilliant.
There you go, guys. So.
That's what I call a banging roll.
That is a couple of nice cheeseburgers. What more could go wrong, guys? Imagine that up on the Mendips. That'll keep me going all night.
That's a Kelly Kettle with the hobo stove. It's called a hobo stove because it's cheap and cheerful and you put it on top and you can cook food on it and it doesn't actually fucking use any fuel, you just use what you find around you. And that's why it's a hobo stove. And it's a banging piece of kit. When I was in Dublin and living over there, I went over there with £7.10 in my pocket and I survived the whole 13 months living on that, with that. Absolutely banging. There's plenty of food over there. It's very difficult to cook times and fuel is always an issue.
There you go, guys. That's a story from an old veteran who's used one of these in his past. And he's passing on his experience to me, and I'm passing it on via YouTube. Okay guys, so we have had a cup of coffee. We've looked at how it all gets set up, chopping the wood. What a piece of kit, eh? I mean, look at that flame coming out of there, eh? Right there, look as well, look. Look at that, look nice and glowing now. I've just had another cup of coffee, by the way. That's the reason why the water's boiling. Alright, just to prove a point, I've had 2 cups of coffee after this. But yeah, you can't get better than this. You really can't get better than a Kelly Kettle. Okay? Alright? And I am so having one of these on the Mendips with me. Look at it. What a piece of survival kit. It doesn't give off much smoke to the atmosphere. You know, so when I'm in my woods, not a lot of people will know where I'm there. But what a piece of kit. It can be cleaned up easily. It can be assembled easily. It can be up and running in 10 minutes. From you lighting that fire, you can have a cup of coffee. And your burgers can be on while you drink the coffee. But there you go. Not much more to be said about that, is there?
A lot of steaks on them as well.
Anyway guys, listen, I am going to leave this video here. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed it. I mean, look at that flame, guys, look at it. I mean, you can even keep warm after it. Honestly. I mean, you know, the whole lot lifts off. So, you know. So let me show you.
Kick your hands out of the way of flames. Probably need 2 hands to do it. Let me show you. Honestly.
Right, my friend's going to show you, right? So you lift this bit off. And that way you got a nice little cool fire, man, to keep you warm. There you go. And that will just keep you warm all night. Just keep feeding it with little twigs. And whenever you want a hot drink, the water's in the kettle. Just put it back on. 5 minutes later, job done. But in the meantime, nice and toasty. Anyway, catch you guys later. Bye bye bye.